Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we were talking about function interface and there's a method apply. So let's see how to use it. So before jumping over to coding section, let's create one requirement. So I just want to create some like square of some numbers, right? I will pass some input as a numeric value. Let's say I'm giving 4. That's my input, right? It will go to processing section. Here something will happen. I'll say square operation, right? Square operation happens here, and then we get 16. So this is my input, this is the expression section, and finally this is the output, right? So we were talking about input function interface gives you one method, that is apply. So apply takes one input, perform some operations through some expressions, and then generates output. So something similar we'll do in our case. So let's jump back to Eclipse. This is from previous class. Let's close all these files. Let's get one more package for function. So right click on the root, new package, package, and I'll call that dot function demo. Okay, oops, this typo, it's demo. Fine, let's create new class. Let's say square up. Okay, just a name. Main method, and I have to create some expression or condition on the basis of this apply method, what we discussed here. Apply takes this structure. Okay, go back, copy it. This is in generic way. We don't know what is R, what is T, so we have to decide at runtime or when you're writing your code. So it is taking one argument, so one argument will be go like this way. So I don't know the type, and as per our requirement, definitely it's going to be integer value. So I will create one reference of function first of all, and I need to tell the type. So integer. What I'm getting in return, it's also integer. So return type will be also integer. Done. And let's create one reference f equals, and then I have to implement this method into a lambda expression. So method name does not matter. We have to take the type without giving the type, like type like int char or something. So just give the type of this. Let's say I, then this, and here I multiplication I semicolon. We don't need to write return if it is just a one statement, and yep, that's it. And now what? How to use it? Just pass the number to that apply function or method, and that will give you a square of that number. So let's say sys out square of 5 is, then f dot apply, call pass the 5. Let's see the output. It's 25. Nice. Let's book some complex numbers like 25. Okay, that might be simple. Let's say 77, or let's say 89. So accordingly pass 25, 77, and 89. Okay. So right click, run as, and see, oh, application. So for 5 is 25, 25 is 625, 77 is 5929, and 89 791. So that's how we can get square root of this numeric value. So how it's working? Just added one lambda expression for our apply method. Apply takes one output, sorry, it takes one input, that's this, and generates one output, that's this one. Because it's just a one statement, we are just keeping things simple to understand the actual functionality of functional interface. So this is one of the simplest explanation of functional interface of function, and that's the apply call. So that's it for this video. In next video we will talk about some more complex stuffs, and still we'll grinding all the details about this function interface. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.